Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your history. So let's cover the one-time permanent deletion of all the history and show you how to automate future deletions so you don't have to worry about this. This saves time and protects your privacy long-term. So the first thing is to navigate to your activity. So if you focus into a new tablet, say for example in here, I'm gonna go for a new window. Then I'm gonna try to hit into this upper side. This is myactivity.google.com. I typed this. And you want to make sure that the profile picture in the top right confirms that you're logged into the correct Google account. Otherwise, this will be deleting from somewhere else. This step is important if you have multiple emails, a business Gmail for Shopify orders and a personal Gmail, because mixing the two can get messy. So for this, I just want to be focusing into my actual right element. And OK. We are now inside the left-hand menu and hitting to the delete activity by. So I'm going to focus directly here into the right section and hit the delete activity by. So you can change from the last hour, the last day, all the time, or the custom ranged. This is helpful if, for example, you only want to delete searches you made during a product research session on Shopify or while testing a vendor. So you will see the screen. Let the filter your deletion under the custom range drop down. You must select all the time. This ensures everything you have ever searched for is included. So under the section labeled Delete Activity, you can choose which Google products to clear for a full cleanup. Select the Select All option, or at least ensure the search image, search, and video search are checked. This is good because Google tracks everything across Chrome, Maps, YouTube, the Play Store, and for business owners. Even Gmail analytics can give away habits. So in this case, I'm going to delete everything about the Chrome developers, Discover Flights, Gmail Analytics, Business Profile, then Play Store. Translation, image search, map search, shopping, and video searched. So you want to review your choices, and when you're ready, click into the option that says large blue, that says next, and says confirmed. You would like to delete the following activity. This will be making like a second consideration of what you are actually going to be deleting. It's like a safety step, so Google gives you a last chance to back out before you permanently remove data. So for example, delete now. This is the actual activity file.net search for deposit Epic Store. You can preview more. Deleting follower activity that you have used before you, even check out this actual video. So if you're okay with this information, what you need to do is to choose for the option that says delete. So let's go for delete. It says the activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. This helps protect your identity, especially if you're researching suppliers, watching Shopify tutorials, or testing ads and don't want that associated with your name. So it says privacy tip and go for the option that says got it. This is going to be helping you to delete the actual activity from My Activity. And Google will ask you to confirm the click into the deletion. Right? So to prevent this from building up against, let's set up some automated deletion. If you go back directly into the main activity, here, you go back into the main activity page and click into web and app activity. Usually, I just click directly back into myactivity.google.com. I delete the section and you go for OK. Now if I choose the option that says web and app activity, click the option that says on, you will see a large blue button or a link that says Auto Delete Off, and click it. For Shopify users, this is powerful. Auto deleting means you don't have to constantly remember to clean up digital traces each time you run ads or spy on competitors. So in the pop-up window, select Auto Delete Activation Order and choose a duration such as 3 months or even 18 months. You can include the Chrome history and activity from site application, but the user services include audio and audio activity and include visual search history. So I turn this on. I hit forgot it. I enable this one. I agree, and there we go. So the leading activity older than 18 months, I can change this for 3 months, for example. I go for next confirmed. Just think, every 3 months. All that browsing history, SEO research, Facebook ads, competitor checks, even Shopify dashboard clicks, all wiped automatically without you lifting a finger. So your digital footprint will now be managed automatically by Google. So you have fully secured your actual account. You can always go back and you can do exactly the same thing. The same process with your same account that you have just had. Let's say, for example, my Gmail, google.com history from even more Google account. If you manage multiple Shopify stores, maybe one for clients or multiple niches, doing this on all emails is smart. So hopefully this was a very useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you wanted to see more great tools, how we can get started with the security elements directly from Google. So thank you once again for watching, guys, and hopefully we can all see you guys well next time.